Welcome to HerbNerd TV. Today, we're uncovering one of the most significant scandals in the tech and healthcare industries, the Theranos deception. Once a Silicon Valley darling valued at $9 billion, Theranos promised to revolutionize blood testing with its proprietary technology. However, behind the scenes lay a web of deception that misled investors, patients, and the public. Join us as we delve into how one startup's ambitious claims unraveled into a cautionary tale of fraud and hubris. The rise of Theranos' founding and vision. 1. Founded in 2003 by Elizabeth Holmes, a 19-year-old Stanford University dropout. 2. Mission. To democratize healthcare by making blood tests more accessible, affordable, and less painful. 3. Innovation claimed. Development of a device called Edison, capable of performing hundreds of tests using just a few drops of blood from a finger prick. Early success and hype. 1. Investor attraction. Raised over $700 million from high-profile investors, including media mogul Rupert Murdoch and former Secretary of State Henry Kissinger. 2. Board of directors. Assembled a prestigious board with influential figures, enhancing credibility. 3. Media spotlight. Holmes featured on magazine covers and lauded as the next Steve Jobs. Theranos touted as a revolutionary company poised to disrupt the healthcare industry. The technology behind Theranos' Edison device. 1. Claimed capabilities. Perform a wide array of tests, blood glucose, cholesterol levels, cancer markers, from a tiny blood sample. 2. Advantages promoted. Less invasive, faster results, and more cost-effective than traditional lab testing. Secrecy and patents. 1. Trade secrets. Theranos operated in stealth mode, citing the need to protect proprietary technology. 2. Patent filings. Held numerous patents, adding to the image of innovation. Warning signs and doubts lack of peer review. 1. Scientific scrutiny. Absence of published data in reputable medical journals. 2. Expert skepticism. Medical professionals questioned the feasibility of the technology. Operational issues. 1. Employee turnover. Reports of high staff turnover and a culture of secrecy. 2. Quality control concerns. Whistleblowers within the company raised alarms about test inaccuracies and ethical breaches. Investigative reporting and exposure. Wall Street Journal investigation. 1. Journalist. John Carreiro began investigating Theranos in 2015. 2. Key findings. Technology limitations. Edison devices could not perform the range of tests claimed. Theranos was using traditional commercial analyzers for most tests. Inaccurate test results. Patients received unreliable results, leading to potential health risks. Regulatory evasion. Attempts to circumvent standard oversight and validation processes. Regulatory actions. 1. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS. Inspections revealed deficiencies posing immediate jeopardy to patient health. Imposed sanctions, including revoking the laboratory's certification. 2. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Charged Theranos, Holmes, and former President Ramesh, Sunny, Balwani with fraud. Impact on investors and patients. Investor losses. 1. Financial fallout. Theranos' valuation plummeted from $9 billion to practically zero. Investors lost hundreds of millions of dollars. 2. Lack of due diligence. Over-reliance on charisma and hype without thorough technical verification. Patient harm. 1. Inaccurate diagnoses. Faulty test results led to misdiagnosis and unnecessary treatments. 2. Legal actions. Patients filed lawsuits alleging harm due to erroneous test results. Legal consequences. Criminal charges. 1. Indictments. In 2018, Holmes and Balwani were indicted on multiple counts of wire fraud and conspiracy to commit wire fraud. 2. Trial and verdicts. Elizabeth Holmes, convicted in January 2022 on 4 counts of fraud. Sentenced to over 11 years in prison. Sunny Balwani, convicted on 12 counts of fraud in July 2022. Sentenced to nearly 13 years in prison. Settlements and fines. 1. SEC settlement. Holmes agreed to a settlement without admitting wrongdoing, including a fine and a ban from serving as an officer or director of a public company for 10 years. Lessons learned: due diligence and verification. 1. Investor responsibility. Importance of thorough technical and scientific validation before investing. 2. Media scrutiny. Critical role of investigative journalism in uncovering the truth. Regulatory oversight. 1. Strengthening compliance. Need for rigorous oversight of medical devices and laboratory testing. 2. Whistleblower protection. Encouraging and safeguarding employees who report unethical practices. Startup culture and ethics. 1. Culture of secrecy. How lack of transparency can mask underlying issues. 2. Ethical leadership. The vital role of integrity and accountability in leadership positions. The broader impact on the healthcare and tech industries: investor skepticism. 1. Caution in funding. Increased scrutiny of startups, particularly in biotech and healthcare sectors. 2. Emphasis on substance over hype. Greater demand for demonstrable results and peer-reviewed research. Regulatory reforms. 1. FDA and CMS updates. Implementation of stricter regulations for laboratory-developed tests. 2. Encouraging innovation responsibly. Balancing the promotion of innovation with patient safety. Conclusion: the Theranos scandal serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of unchecked ambition and the consequences of prioritizing image over substance. By misleading investors and patients, Theranos not only caused financial losses but also put people's health at risk. This case underscores the importance of due diligence, ethical leadership, and the critical role of transparency and accountability in the pursuit of innovation. Key takeaways. 1. Integrity is essential. Honest communication about capabilities and limitations is crucial. 2. Critical evaluation. Stakeholders must critically assess claims, especially in health-related fields. 3. Learning from mistakes. The scandal provides valuable lessons to prevent similar incidents in the future. Thank you for watching HerbNerd TV. We hope this deep dive into the Theranos deception has shed light on the complexities and consequences of this significant scandal. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more investigative explorations into health and wellness topics. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think are the biggest lessons from the Theranos case? Share your comments below. Stay informed, stay critical, and we'll see you next time.